In this video, we're going to do a demo of the Magento Commerce B2B Shared Catalog feature and how to actually enable that. In the next video, we'll go into more configuration of the shared catalog. Today, however, we're only going to focus on enabling from the admin. Several prerequisites are required for this piece. First is that you have a Magento Commerce paid license, which now includes the B2B modules, access to magento.com, and then server access to run composer commands. And we're assuming for this video that you've already accomplished all of those prerequisites. Our first step is to go into the Magento admin and then head down to Store Configuration. And here under the General tab, we'll see the B2B features. There are three main features, the first being enabling the company, which also will give us the ability to enable shared catalogs and the B2B quote feature. I'm also going to go ahead and enable the Quick Order feature, and I'm going to enable the Requisition List feature. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to ignore the payment modules. We'll cover that in another tutorial. Now underneath the catalog menu, we'll see shared catalogs, which wasn't there before. You'll see under shared catalog that we already have a couple of customers we've already set up. I'll show you what those will look like on the front end. In this case, nobody's logged in, so I just have both of them publicly visible for this demo. So I'll go ahead and sign in as customer 1. We'll look at the experience from their perspective. You can see now one of the categories disappeared. Actually, I guess I'm signed in as customer 2, no problem. I'm going to head into the Quick Order module. This Quick Order module is pretty cool. You could type a product name or a product SKU code. The auto search populate will fill in the blank for you. Select however many you want to put into your cart. Go ahead and add another product if you'd like. And then here you could paste in a comma separated list, or you could even choose a CSV file to upload directly into Magento. Then you can add all of those to your cart. Here in the cart now, we see there's a few notifications that products we requested are actually out of stock. No problem. In Magento, you can choose whether to allow back orders or not. We can show you that in another tutorial. In this tutorial, however, I'm going to go ahead and remove the item that's out of stock because I want to create a quote. So here from the cart, you actually have the ability to request a quote. When this happens, you're allowed to put in a comment and designate a quote name if you would like. You could even add an attachment to the quote if need be. So we'll go ahead and submit that quote, which will show up now in the My account under My Quotes. And it will also show up in the Magento admin, as well as notify the sales representative of this particular customer. You'll notice under the Sales tab in the Magento admin, there's a new tab called Quotes. And that's where all of the quotes will now be populated, each sales representative having access only to their particular customer's quotes. And here in this admin section, you can view the quote, make changes to the quote, send that to the customer. We'll do a more thorough demo on this piece later. The final new feature I want to highlight is the requisition list. A customer can create multiple requisition lists straight from the shopping cart. They can create a list name, they can create multiple lists. These can be as descriptive as the customer would like, and they can have as many of them as they want. This is very similar to the long-standing wish list feature built into Magento, but it adds to that feature the ability to separate items into separate lists with different items on each list. This is a tremendously useful feature if you want to be able to allow your customers to manage multiple job sites, for example, or if they have predefined computer builds, let's say, where they have a power user workstation and then they have a general administrator workstation. They would have different parts already predefined that they can just add to the cart and then they can check out quickly. That concludes this basic overview of how to enable the new B2B features that are built into Magento Commerce. Go ahead and give that a try. Give me a call if you have any questions or shoot me an email. My name is David Edmondson, and I look forward to working with you.